Hello students, we are doing the dissolution of the partnership form. Today I am discussing a question, practical question relating with this chapter. I have taken a imaginary question in which I am trying to take all the transactions which can be related with the dissolution. So this one is the question. So firstly you have seen that there is a balance sheet is to be given and the profit sharing ratio between the partner is the 3:2. Liability side and the asset side. At the end all the additional information regarding that is to be given on the dissolution. So now we are starting the question. So I have already told that in the dissolution the main account is to be prepared as realization account, partner loan account if it is required, then partner's capital account and the bank account. Firstly, I am taking all the liability side of the balance sheet. By one, I will all the liabilities, all the transactions which are given on the liability side, I will shift it in the different accounts that you have seen. So firstly, the creditor is to be given. The entry for that is creditor's account debit to realization account. As I have already told you that all the liabilities which are to be paid to the third party transfer to the credit side of the realization account. So firstly, the creditors by creditors amount is 50,000. After that there is a bank loan. So bank by bank loan amount is 20,000. Then there is a sister loan. The partner, if any relative of the partner is given any loan to the firm, that is also considered as the third party. So this loan is also transferred to the realization account. A's sister loan amount is 10,000. After that B's loan. B is a partner. So for that we have to be prepared the separate partner's loan account, B's loan account. So I am transferring this loan to the credit side of the B's loan account by balance brought down. That is 15,000. After that there is a workman compensation reserve 15,000. About this I want to say that if there is no any liabilities to be arised on the workman compensation reserve, then all the reserve is to be divided between the partner in their profit sharing ratio in the partner's capital account. And if there is some liabilities to be given related with that reserve, then firstly we have to be complete that liability from the reserve, have to be taken that liability, and after that the remaining amount of the reserve is to be transferred to the partner's capital account. So in this question, see the 8th point in which the liability on the workman compensation reserve is given 5,000. So firstly we have to be take this amount from the reserve and the remaining amount is to be given to the partners. So for this, firstly we have to be transfer this amount of the reserve to the realization account. So by workman compensation reserve 5,000, and for the payment we make the entry to bank account. That is workman compensation, the reserve 5,000, the liability on the workman compensation reserve. So for that the entry will be workman compensation reserve account debit to realization and 2 partners capital account. Now the remaining amount is 10,000. As you have seen that workman compensation reserve is 15,000 and the liability on that reserve is 5,000. So the remaining amount is 10,000. So this 10,000 is divided between the partners in their profit sharing ratio, and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So according to that 10,000, when we will divide it, that is 6,000 and 4,000. Then after that you have seen the capitals of the partners. This one is transferred to the partners capital account by balance brought down. A's capital is 3 lakh and B's capital is 2 lakh. The balance of that. Now as you have seen, all the liability side is transferred in the different accounts in the dissolution. So the liability side becomes empty. As you have seen that. Now we are taking the asset side. In the asset side, firstly the cash at bank is given. So opening balance of cash, the balance brought down, the amount is 30,000. One thing I want to say that if cash in hand is given only in the question, then you have to prepare the cash account. If cash at bank is given, bank account, and if both is given, means cash in hand and cash at bank, in that case you can prepare cash account or the bank account. If you are preparing the cash account, then the balance of bank is to be transferred by a contra entry. Okay. Now then there is a debtor is given. So as we have discussed already in the journal entries, all the assets are to be transferred to the debit side of the realization account. So to debtors 20,000 and the provision in the credit side of the realization account, that is 5,000. After that the stock, all the assets, stock, the amount is 20,000. After that furniture 50,000. Then there is a goodwill. Goodwill is also treated as the same as all the assets are treated, 1,80,000. Then machinery 3 lakh. After that profit and loss account. This one is the loss for the firm and this one is transferred to the partners capital account, debit side in their profit sharing ratio. The amount is 15,000 divided between 3:2. It means 9,000 and 6,000. Then so as same, all the asset side is shifted to the different accounts. So all the balance sheet become empty. Now we are taking additional information which is given. So first point is 50% of the furniture was taken over by A, 20% less than book value. So if the partner is taking some asset, so the entry will be partners capital account debit to realization account. So A is taking the furniture, so A's capital account. Now the furniture amount is 50,000. So 50,000, 50% of the 50,000 is 25% and 20% less than the book value. It means 25,000 multiplied by the 80 upon 100. That will be the 20,000. It means that A paid for the asset 20,000 and this amount is transferred to the A's capital account also. So to realization 20,000. Our entry is A's capital account debit to realization. So in the realization by A's capital and in the partner's capital account there is a to realization. Then after that the remaining furniture was sold for 20,000. So the remaining sold. So by bank account furniture 20,000. We have to be seen only the realized value of the assets. Then debtors realized 18,000. So debtors entry will be the same, bank account debit to realization. After that A sister loan was paid off along with interest 2,000. A sister loan. So entry is realization to bank account. So to bank account A's sister loan. The loan amount is 10,000 and 2,000 is to be paid for the interest. So the total amount is to be paid is 12,000. Then there is a third point is stock was taken over by B for 15,000. It means that B's capital account debit to realization. So by B's capital stock and the amount is 15,000. The same, the amount is transferred to the B's capital account also to realization 15,000. After that the fifth point is expenses on realization 5,000. So realization to bank account realization expenses. If that expenses are paid by the partner, then the entry will become the realization to partner's capital account. After that machinery realized 5 lakh. So bank account debit to realization 5 lakh. Creditors were settled by 45,000. So same to bank realization to bank account. Creditors 45,000. And the last entry we already done, liability on workman compensation reserve 5,000. So the total amount from the asset is to be realized, that is 5,38,000. You have seen that we have to be check that all the liabilities which have to be paid to the third party is to be paid by the firm or not. See, creditors paid. Then there is a sister loan paid. But you have seen that the bank loan of 20,000, no information is to be given in the additional information. I have already say that if the third party's payment is to be compulsory for the firm, if there is no information given, then the firm have to be paid. It is compulsory for the firm to pay that. So for that also to bank account, bank loan, for the bank loan, the amount is 20,000. So now all the liabilities are to be paid. Now after that we have to be total the debit side or the credit side of the realization account. If the credit side is more than the debit side, then there is a profit, and if the debit side is more than the credit side, then there is a loss. So the total of the credit side is 6,63,000 and the total of the debit side is 6,57,000. So the credit side is more. In this case there is a profit. So this profit is transferred to the A and B's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. A and B, 6,003 divided between the partner in 3:2. So 3,600 for A and 2,400 for B. and this profit is transferred to the partner's capital account by realization account. I think realization account will be clear to you. Now we have to be complete the partner's loan account, B's loan account. So the entry will be B's loan account debit to bank account. Payment of loan 15,000. So the account will be closed. Then partner's capital account. All the entries related with the partner's capital account we have already shown it. Now we have to be calculate the balance. Firstly, you have to be total the credit side and then there is a debit side. As you have seen that the credit side of both the partner is more than the debit side, so the balance come in the debit side. So the total is A 3,96,000 and B's total is 2,64,000. 3,96,000 and 2,64,000. So entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to bank account. So the difference is for the A is 2,80,600 and for the B is 1,85,400. So by this partner's capital account will be closed. Now the bank account is to be prepared. In this, all the transactions which are related with the bank is transferred to the bank account. Firstly, the amount which is realized from the assets. So, to realization account, this one 5,38,000. Other no amount is to be realized from any other medium by the firm. Now the payments which are made by the firm one by one. By realization, payment of compensation. By realization, a sister loan 12,000. By realization, realization expenses paid. By realization, creditors payment 45,000. By realization, payment of bank loan. Then B's loan payment. So by B's loan account 15,000. The capital, the balance of the capital which is to be given to the partners. So by A's capital count, that is 2,80,600, and by B's capital, that is 1,85,400. So when we will make the total become the same of the debit side or the credit side of the bank account. So it also will check our answer also that we have did all the transaction in a proper manner. So this one is a one question which is related with the dissolution. I hope you will understand that question. You understand that question. Thank you. Have a nice day.